You are comparing your financial situation to a curated highlight reel of people performing prosperity they often cannot afford. That comparison is making you feel behind when the real data tells a completely different story. The median American at your age is the honest benchmark, not the most financially visible people in your social circle. And the median is probably not where you think. The actual median: $600 in emergency savings. 56% cannot cover a $1,000 unexpected expense. Average credit card balance: $6,700 at 21% interest. 60% living paycheck to paycheck. These are not edge cases. This is the average. 8 signs. Each one is backed by real US data. If you have even 3 or 4 of them, you are ahead of most Americans at your age. You just could not see it because nobody was showing you the right scoreboard. Sign 1. You have an emergency fund, even a small one. Any amount set aside specifically for unexpected expenses puts you ahead of a majority of Americans. 56% of Americans cannot cover a $1,000 emergency from savings. If you have $1,000 set aside, even $500, you are ahead of the majority of adults in the country. The emergency fund is not savings. It is armor. Without it, one car repair, one medical bill, one appliance starts a debt cycle that takes months to escape. You having any amount of it puts you structurally ahead. Sign 2. You carry no high-interest credit card debt, or you are actively paying it down with a real plan. Either version puts you ahead of the majority. $1.28 trillion in credit card debt. Average balance $6,700 at 21% interest. Fewer than 35% of households pay their card in full every month. The rest are paying interest on interest silently. The average American paying the minimum on $6,700 at 21% will pay over $12,500 in total before the balance clears 8 years from now. Not having this debt or having a real payoff plan is a significant structural advantage. Sign 3. You are investing anything, any amount into any investment account. A 401k contribution, a Roth IRA, a brokerage account, any of these puts you in a minority of Americans. 55% of Americans have zero stock market investment. Under 35, only 37% own any stocks or funds at all. If you are under 35 and investing even $50 a month, you are already in the top third of your age group by this single measure. The investor who starts is ahead of the one planning to start, regardless of amount. Time is the variable nobody can buy back. The 55% of Americans not investing will never get these years back. Sign 4. You know your approximate net worth. You can name a number, even a rough one, when someone asks what you own minus what you owe. Most Americans genuinely cannot. Less than half of Americans can accurately estimate their net worth. Most count their home's market value but forget the mortgage balance. Knowing your real number, even if it is small or negative, means you can navigate. Most people are driving without a map. Median net worth by age. Under 35, $39,000. Ages 35 to 44, $135,600. Ages 45 to 54, $247,200. These are medians. Half of all Americans at each age have less than this number. Where do you stand against the actual median, not the highlight reel? Sign 5. You consistently spend less than you earn. The gap between income and spending, however small, is the only place wealth can be built. 60% of Americans have no gap at all. 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. The personal savings rate is 4.5%, half of what previous generations kept. Having any positive gap between income and spending is not normal. It is genuinely above average. The gap between income and spending is the only fuel the wealth engine runs on. No gap, the engine never starts. Any gap, however small, means the engine is running. 60% of Americans have a stalled engine right now. Sign 6. You have not used a payday loan, rent-to-own financing, or any triple-digit interest rate product in the past 12 months. More Americans than you think cannot say the same. 12 million Americans use payday loans every year. They borrow $375 on average and pay $520 in fees to do it. 80%. Roll the loan over within 2 weeks, paying fees again. The average borrower pays more in fees than they originally borrowed. Not being inside that trap is significant. Payday loan fees do not just cost money. They cost the compounding on that money every year. The same fees redirected to investing over 10 years become $7,200. Avoiding this trap is a structural wealth advantage. Sign 7. You own at least one appreciating asset. A home with equity, any balance in a brokerage account, any amount in a retirement account. Owning even one of these separates you from a large portion of Americans. 40% of Americans have zero retirement savings. The bottom 50% own only 1% of all stock wealth. Renters have a median net worth of $10,400. Homeowners, $396,000. Owning any appreciating asset, even a small retirement account, puts you on the wealth building side of the most important dividing line in American personal finance. Income without assets creates nothing that lasts. A $55,000 income that builds assets consistently beats a $90,000 income that builds nothing within 10 to 15 years. Assets compound. Income just flows through. Sign 8. You think about your financial future not just when a bill forces you to. The simple act of being aware and actively thinking about money is less common than you believe. 33% of Americans have done no retirement planning whatsoever. The average American spends 4 minutes a day on financial planning. You are watching this video. That already puts you in a different category than most. Awareness compounds. The person who thinks about money consistently makes better decisions than the one who avoids it. The decision to watch a video like this one even occasionally changes outcomes over decades. The full scorecard. How many of the 8 apply to you? Even 3 or 4 of these puts you ahead of the majority of Americans at your age, measured against real data, not a social media feed. The signs you do not have yet are not failures. They are your specific next move. The scorecard tells you exactly where to focus, without guessing. The comparison making you feel behind is a comparison to a performance, not a reality. The people performing wealth on social media are often less financially stable than you are. You just cannot see their credit card balance. Knowing where you actually stand against real data, not a curated feed, is the beginning of every meaningful financial improvement. Most people never get an accurate picture. You now have one. Subscribe to Wealth Construct. Share this with someone who has been feeling behind before they make a major financial decision from a position of inaccurate self-assessment. How many of the 8 signs apply to you right now? Drop your number below, even if it is 2. Especially if it is 2, because 2 is 2 more than the starting point. New videos every week. The real math, always. I'm Professor Alex. This is Wealth Construct. Wealth Construct. The real math, always.